What's going on YouTube? So it's Martin
and Christina
from Thrift Store Gold back at you with another video, another vlog. So in this vlog, guys, we're just gonna kind of do like more of the day in the life. I know they're always like that, but we're gonna try to keep it interesting for you guys. Do a little bit different. I'm gonna try to do really artsy with it, and then we're gonna try to explain some pictures for you guys, and then we're gonna go to a local park where we can get cool shots, and we're gonna show you our breakfast, and yeah. Okay guys, so we're gonna start our breakfast right now. Okay guys, so we just got our breakfast made. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that little clip. We're gonna start eating now, and then we're gonna be heading to the ridge. Actually, we're probably gonna go to the gym, and then we're gonna head to the ridge. But we're not gonna take you guys along to the gym, so if you wanna see our gym workouts, definitely check out more of our videos. I'll put one in the cards right there. And then yeah, we're gonna enjoy our breakfast and go to the gym. Okay, so now we're gonna explain to you guys how we take pictures and how a beginner should really like take pictures. Then we're gonna show you guys, we got our little setup right here. You just want white pretty much, and then we're gonna be using an iPhone, but we usually use a Canon, but that's okay. You can use an iPhone that still come out great, or any phone really, anything that takes pictures. So we're just gonna jump right into it.
So for these mugs, only do 4 shots. So you want to get one like that, which is facing one way. Then you're going to want to do it facing the other way. And then you want a top shot. This is no chill with the light. Alright, so top shot like that. And then you're going to want a bottom shot. So, pretty simple for mugs. You just want to make sure that you portray basically the whole mug, because like Duncan was saying, you don't need a shot. Like we were doing like 12 shots of it moved literally every step of the way, and you don't really need to do that. So 4 shots is good. One side, 2 side, top, and then bottom. And now for stuffed animals, prop that baby up in there and take a good shot from the front. And then I usually like to get nice and close on the fur or something, just so they can see what the material is like. And then we'll do the tag. And then you're going to want a back shot of it. And I don't know if you guys can see or not, but this is one that we picked up in the garbage. So this, oh, you definitely can see. There's a few stains on it. So when I take the picture, I'm going to take a picture of it farther away. And I'm also going to get a picture a little bit closer of the stains, just so you can disclaim it. And then one last of just the bottom of it. So that's pretty easy. You just want to make sure that you show any imperfections that it has or anything. Yeah. And now onto some clothing, which we actually just recently got this set up in here, so it's kind of nice to have the hanger and everything. And for all of this, just make sure that you have a white background. That's really the most important thing. Good lighting, which usually we have sunlight coming in here, so it's a little bit better than this yellow light. But fix the hood so it lays flat, and then zip it up. Make sure it looks nice. Just think, if you were a buyer, how would you want your... Oh, probably should take off the Goodwill tag. But just think, if you were a buyer, how would you want your pictures to look? And this is nice because we have this nice square thing, so you can just crop out the entire background of our pops and everything. So I get one of like a farther shot back so they can really get the whole picture of it. And then like there's a patch down here. I'm going to take a picture of the patch. And then if you saw in our last video, the zipper's busted a little bit.
So just very nice, very clean. The zipper actually is busted.
Oh no!
We should have looked at that. So we'll just have to disclaimer that once you guys can see. Zipper is shot.
So the zipper's a little bit busted, so you're gonna want to disclaim that. So you want to go ahead and take a shot and make sure that it's nice and clear so they can see it. But also the zipper still does work. So my tip: take another shot of it a little bit lower down of the tag in here. Move the hanger. You can prove that the zipper works still, and perfect. And then flip it over.
You forgot one of the actual tag, like a close-up of the tag.
So many things. Alright, so then we're going to get a nice picture of the tag up close. Let that focus and let it get really nice and clear.
Tell them about the pictures that we saw last night.
Seriously, I need to find these pictures.
I'll pull them out. I'll put them on the screen.
Okay. It literally was a sold listing of this same exact hoodie, but it was so blurry. It was like if someone went and take a picture.
It was even worse. They'll
than
see,
this.
yeah.
Alright, so I'm going to have to back up again so I can take a picture of the full body of the back. And with the back, because it's kind of plain, it's the same thing. I'm not going to go too much into depth with these pictures, but just make sure that it looks nice. And then, I don't know, you think that's it for
that was
pictures?
it?
Yeah. Alrighty, so.
Alright guys, so that was how we take pictures. That's how you guys should be taking pictures.
Hopefully that
Christina went
helps.
really in depth. I think she did an awesome job. So smash that like button if you enjoyed pictures with Christina. Let's get back into this vlog. Okay guys, so we're at the Ridge like we said. This is like a local park of ours. We got Finman's down there.
He's not behaving well at
No,
all.
he's balling. He's trying to run away. So we're just gonna kind of get some cool shots. Don't really know what we're gonna be doing, but hope it looks interesting. So enjoy this montage or however this goes. Trying to walk over here. So that was kind of our artsy bit. Camera's about to die. Did not think about that. But this is a really cool spot. We're definitely gonna try to get a lot more videos here. As you can see, we're just in a little like creek area. So very cool. Just gonna kind of chill out for a bit and then head home and do some more stuff. So see you guys in a bit. Okay, so we're home now and we're gonna be doing a live stream interview right now with Romer the Roamer. So if you guys haven't checked that out, check it out. I'll put it in the cards above. And yeah, we're about to do that. And then after that, we're probably just gonna wrap up the vlog. Nothing else to it. So we'll be back to you very shortly. Okay, so we just finished up our live stream. We had actually a really good live stream, so if you guys haven't, go check that out. It's right up in there in the cards. I think I already said that, so it might not be there again, but that was the vlog. We're gonna wrap it up here. Thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate you. Make sure to smash that like button if you enjoyed this vlog, and leave a comment down below if you want to see more artsy videos like that. So make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't. We're trying to grind to 1,000 subscribers. We're hoping to hit it this month. We're like 200 subscribers away almost, guys. So thank you guys so much for subscribing. We really appreciate you all. And check out our Instagram, and there's more in the description about this giveaway we're doing once we hit 1,000. So check that out. And if you guys like this thrift store gold shirt, leave me a comment because we can possibly work something out. So on that note, have a good night, guys. Go crush it. Peace. I don't know what that 3 was for.
I don't know, but you should have punched it. You
snapped
it.
Peace.
Hopefully nobody notices that I now have "Be Nice" in the corner of my shirt.
Finn, you cannot have our food.
There's nothing left anyways.
Get down. Hey, no.
He's so excited. Chilling.
See, you got there.
It's all wet.
Get to that round one. It's not that deep. It's not wet.
I can't.
Get to that little middle one right there. By on your right.
This thing?
Nope. Little.
That one?
Yeah.
I hate
Perfect.
this.